You can now build beautiful animated websites just like this using Opus 5 inside Claude Code. And in this video, I will show you exactly how. From coming up with a design idea to building a fully functional animated multi-page website and deploying it to the web in less than 20 minutes. Plus, I will show you how to generate all the animations and images automatically with just one single prompt. So close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. Now in this video, I'm thinking of building a website for a high-end property developer. And in that website, I want an animation similar to this, where in the hero section of the website, when the user scrolls through it, then a similar animation is going to play out where the camera is going to rotate around a nice looking home that high-end luxury developer has created. Now to build this website out, we're going to use Opus 5 inside Claude Code, since it is by far the best AI coding agent on the market. But Claude is not actually able to generate us an animation like this. That's why we're going to combine Claude Code with another third-party application that is called Higgsfield, because Higgsfield will allow us to create these custom animations that we can then take and embed inside our website. And the good thing with Higgsfield is that we can generate the animations that we need in seconds from within our Claude Code interface, which I will show you exactly how you can do in this video. So to build this website, the first thing that we have to do is to install Claude Code in our machine, which you can do by going over to claude.com/download and downloading the app in your machine. Or you can even install it natively in your terminal. I personally prefer the app, that's why I will come over here and I'm going to download it for my operating system. And once you do that, you simply have to open it up and navigate over in the code section, where then we will be able to come over here to the chat box and start building out this website. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I will come back over to the website that I want to mimic, and I'm going to take a screenshot of it, and I will also go over to the website which animation I want to mimic, which is this website that I found on Dribble, and I'm going to paste both over in Claude Code. Hey, I want to create a website for a luxury real estate developer. Now what I have done is I attached an image of a real estate developer's website, and I also gave you a link to another Dribble website that has a very nice animation which basically moves around the specific target of the hero section that the website has. Now I gave you this because I want to generate a similar website for myself, where in the hero section of the website there will be the house that the real estate developer built, which is going to have an animation that goes around the house and basically does a 360 in a nice, smooth way. Now, one change that I want you to make is to make the real estate home's design very modern and futuristic, along with the colors that it is going to have. And for reference, I found this image on the internet from a website that another YouTuber has generated, which I really liked because it is very futuristic. And now what I'm going to do is I will also take a screenshot of this. I will come back over to Claude Code, I'm going to paste it in, and I'm going to say I also pasted in an image of a very futuristic one, which design I want to mimic, since I really like that color scheme and the overall futuristic vibe. So now what I want you to do is to first of all analyze my prompt and understand how I want my hero section to be built, and then I want you to create me a fully detailed implementation plan for the whole website, since it also should have other sections and other pages as well, where we can also generate animations that would fit there and make the website more interactive and more engaging. Don't worry about how you're going to generate the animations, we're going to generate them with AI videos. What I want you to focus on now is simply the ideation process and give me ideas for the website to make it look as good as possible while still keeping it functional. And now that I described my long prompt, where I'm basically telling Claude Code all the thoughts that I had in my head, and don't worry, I'm going to leave this prompt in the description below. What I'm going to do is I will simply come over here and switch over to the plan mode and send over this prompt, so Claude can now reason and understand exactly what I have in my mind for how I want this website to be built. And you can see that I told it to not worry about how we're going to generate these animations for now, since we will generate them with AI and Higgsfield, and I just told it to fully focus on the ideation and creating a good implementation plan. Now, as you can see, the first question that it is asking me is how should the 360 orbit animation actually work? Should it play out while I'm scrolling through the website, or should it automatically play? Now for this example, I'm going to put it on autoplay since I wanted to constantly showcase what the developer has built. But if you want it, you can make it to play only when you're scrolling through the website. Then it is asking us how big should the website be. I will say, let's make it 5 pages. And how far do I want to push the futuristic palette from the reference image? Since I want it to be pretty similar, I will select the first option. And now I will simply let Claude Code create me that detailed implementation plan. And boom, as you can see, Claude just finished generating the plan for us. And now if I actually full screen this, I will be able to take a look at it. Here we have the entire plan, where it is telling us the specific color scheme that the sections are going to have. Then it's giving us some information about the typography. And then we have the specific pages. Here we have the homepage with the hero section that is going to have the 360 animation that is constantly going to be playing. Then a trust section, a manifesto, a feature residency section, the process, materials and systems, then some testimonials, and then a CTA in a footer, which is pretty good for a homepage. And then we have the other pages like projects, about, contact us, which are all pretty good. Then it is telling us the tech stack that it is going to use and the file structure, which you don't really need to understand if you're not a coder. And then we have a video assets brief, where it is basically telling us all the animations that our website is going to have. And we're going to have one in the hero section, then one in the projects, then one in the process, and a CTA. Then it is telling us how it is going to optimize the performance of the website so it doesn't lag with our animation, and then it returns us all the different building phases. Now I do have to say that I really like this plan, but obviously if you don't like something, you can simply come over here, click on revise, and tell Claude Code what change you want to make to this plan. So now that we have our plan ready, it's time that we tell Claude to go over and build this website. But we shouldn't do this before giving Claude a way to actually generate the animations that we want. And as I said before, we're going to do this through Higgsfield, and specifically through the Higgsfield MCP server. Since what the Higgsfield MCP server allows us to do is to simply connect it over to Claude Code, and then we will be able to simply speak to Claude and tell it to use the Higgsfield MCP and generate all the assets that we need. Now to connect the Higgsfield MCP, we simply need to come over here to the plus icon, then navigate over to connectors and click on manage connectors. And since there currently doesn't exist a pre-configured connector to Claude Code, we will need to manually add it in, which we can do by simply coming over here, clicking on add, and then we need to click on add custom connector. Now this is going to pop up this tab over here, where all we have to do is to simply fill in the name and the remote MCP server URL. Now to find these things, you need to go over to higgsfield.ai/MCP, which I will also leave a link for in the description below. And this is basically a page that gives you all the information you need for all these different coding agents. Now since we want to connect this to Claude, you simply need to select Claude from these options and copy the higgsfield.ai MCP URL. Then simply come back over to Claude Code, paste it in the URL box, and for the name you can call it Higgsfield, and then simply click on add. And this is going to add the Higgsfield MCP server. Then all you have to do is to simply come over here, click on connect, and connect to it with your Higgsfield account. Now if you don't already have an account, you can simply create one with all these different options. I will personally choose to go with Google. And after you log into your account, this is going to ask you to simply allow Claude to access your Higgsfield account. Simply click on allow. And once you do that, you will see that this is telling us that we successfully connected, and to simply open up the Claude application, where we will successfully be connected to a Higgsfield account. And to give Claude all the required permissions to do things in your Higgsfield account, I would advise you to actually come over here and select always allow, which is going to give it all of these different permissions to generate assets on your behalf, and then you will simply be able to close it since we have successfully configured it. And now that we have connected Higgsfield to our Claude account, what we can do is simply come over here and say, hey great, now what I want you to do is to go over and start generating the website, and to generate the 3D animation that you need, you can use the Higgsfield MCP server and generate it through there. You should have access to the Higgsfield MCP tool. And now that I type this prompt, what I'm going to do is I will simply switch from the plan mode to the execution mode, and then I will simply send over this prompt. So Claude can now start building out our website for us, including create a video for the animation that is going to be playing in the hero section of our website, which as you can see Claude is already doing, and it is now using the Higgsfield MCP server to generate the assets for our website. And how it does it is it first goes and generates the starting and final image, and then it's going to use the AI video tools that Higgsfield has access to generate the full 360 video. And now Claude is going and building the rest of the website as well. So now what I'm going to do is I will just let design in the background and let it finish, and I will be back with you once it is fully done so we can take a look at the results. And boom, Claude Code just finished building out the website for us. And what it went over and did was, first of all, it created the video that is going to play in the hero section, which is a 360 video. Then it also created some more images using Higgsfield, which it has embedded inside the website. And then it went over and wrote the code for the website. And now, if I actually come over here and I run this in my local host and I spin it up in the web, we will be able to see what Higgsfield managed to generate for us. And as you can see, this honestly does look super clean, since we have this futuristic house on top of a hill spinning around in 360 degrees exactly as we wanted. And as you can see, this animation honestly does look very good. Plus, if I scroll down through the website, we can see way more animations. Here we can see some text about that luxury house development company. Then we can see some images from other projects they have made. As you can see, these are all videos as well, which play when we actually hover over them, which is very nice. Then we also have this section with the 4 stages that company goes through when building out the houses. And as you can see, the images change while I'm scrolling through them, which is also very good as well. Then we have another section over here, some more text, some other nice modern animations, and our footer page. Plus, if I actually switch over in another page like residencies, here we can see all the residencies that company has built, and as you can see, all of these are different videos which we generated with Higgsfield. And if I actually click on one of them, let's say I click on this one for example, I will be able to take a look at this property as well. As you can see, I can see the location, its area, how many bedrooms, and a lot of specifications about this company, along with some day and night images from this property, including these images over here that basically show us how this property actually is. And if I navigate over in the studio section, we can also see again the animation play out over here in a very nice and modern way. And if I keep scrolling, we can see some information about the studio, some information about the company over here, who works in this company, and as you can see when I hover over them, the image actually gets color, which is a nice effect. And same thing with Inquire. As you can see, we still have the video playing over here in the background, and over here is basically the contact us page where we are able to come over here, fill in our information, and after that this inquiry will be sent to the company so they can respond to us. Now, overall I would say that this website is honestly super impressive, and the fact that we managed to build it with just one prompt is honestly very surprising, since we literally managed to create a bunch of different assets and this super nice modern looking website with just that one prompt. And again, I'm going to leave this prompt in the description below. But there are obviously things that we can improve upon. For example, if I go over to the residencies tab and let's say I come over here to this house, you can see that this house that I showed you before does not actually have a playable video. While other houses in this section, like this house, when I click on it, you can see that this actually does have a playable video, which is obviously something that needs fixing. Then, in the inquire section, the information that we need to select and continue to contact the company, we can very vaguely see it, so people might get confused and they will not know how to use the section. So these are 2 changes that we definitely need to make. And maybe we can increase the size of some of these pages. For example, the inquire page is just this contact us form and a header at the bottom. And same thing with the residencies page. As you can see, I can see the residencies and then it's just the header. So ideally we would also increase the size of this one, which is exactly what I described in my prompt over here. And now what I'm going to do is I will simply send over this prompt so Claude can use the Higgsfield MCP that it has access to and make these changes for us. And I think you guys can see how useful the Higgsfield MCP server can be, since normally we would have to go over to Higgsfield and manually have to create all of these different videos and images ourselves using AI. But with the Higgsfield MCP, we can simply tell Claude, hey, go connect to my Higgsfield account and generate everything that the website needs for me, which literally saves us hours of work. And boom, Claude Code just finished making all of these changes. And now if we actually come back over in the website and I navigate over in the residencies tab, I will be able to see that the other 2 residencies over here also have a playable video, which is what we wanted. And if I scroll down in this section, we can see that the page did in fact become bigger. So it's not just a one section page. Same thing with the inquire page. As you can see, it put in the video at the top, and then underneath we have the contact us form where we can fill in the information so the company can contact us, along with it expanding this page as well, so it's not a one section page either. Which means that we successfully managed to make all the changes that we wanted. And I do have to say that our website now does look very good, and that's thanks to Claude Code and of course to Higgsfield for generating all the beautiful assets that we have. But currently our website is not reachable by anyone else since it only lives in a local machine. And to make it reachable, we need to deploy it over to the cloud. Now, a very easy and free way to do this is by using an app that is called Vercel, which allows you to deploy websites with just one simple prompt. And how we can do this is by telling Claude Code to connect to our Vercel account, and once it does that, then it can go and push all the code of our website over to Vercel. So to do that, I will simply come over here and say, hey, what I want you to do is to connect to my Vercel account using the Vercel CLI, and after you do that, then go over and deploy my website for me with Vercel. And now I will simply send over this prompt so Claude Code can do exactly that. And boom, that's exactly what Claude Code went over and did. It used my Vercel account and it deployed this website to the cloud. And now if I actually come over here and I click on this URL, I will be able to visit the website from, as you can see, a live website URL, which everyone else can also access as well, which is exactly what we wanted. And now I want to talk a little bit about how you might find people that would be interested in a website like this. And there are actually two ways you can go about this. The first way is to find leads through Apollo.io, which is a website that gives you access to email addresses of different business owners. And if you use Apollo.io, I would strongly advise you to target Western/English speaking countries, companies that have anywhere from 10 to 200 employees, and make sure that business is within the niche of the website that you just created. Then you simply get all of these leads from Apollo, and then you use a software like Instantly, where you set up a cold email campaign, which will then go and email these people, letting them know that you can build websites like this. Or if you don't want to manually do this, you can simply let AI do all this work for you by using an app like Levate, where all you have to do is simply describe your ideal target avatar in a simple prompt, and Levate is going to find you these leads of people that meet your criteria, and then you simply have to connect your Gmail account and Levate can email them for you. So this is how you can build beautiful 3D websites using Claude Code and Higgsfield AI. Now again, the link to create a Higgsfield account and the link to the Higgsfield MCP will be in the description below. So make sure you go and create your account with Higgsfield, and then you connect the Higgsfield MCP with Claude Code so you can also build beautiful animated websites just like the one in this video. And if you want more personalized help with building websites like this, make sure you check out my school community, the link to which I have left in the description below. But also YouTube things that you're going to enjoy this video, in which I show you how you can get Claude Code completely for free. So make sure you go and watch that next, and I will see you over there.